In this video, I will show you how to speed up your Photoshop performance and prevent any saving errors caused by low disk space. First, you need to press Ctrl K to open up the Preferences panel and look for Scratch Disks. Then, make the driver that has the biggest free space at the top, then lower and lower, etc. For my case, I have only two drivers, C and D, and it's obvious that the D has more free space, so I will activate it, select it, and choose the arrows to make it at the top, then the C below it. After that, press OK. And that's it. Now your Photoshop should be more quicker, and you will never see any errors that caused by low disk space.